Got a big day. First things first, 50 organic forage coconut delivery. Hey Maggie. Hey my baby. Hey my baby. Hey my baby. Yes. Very good girl. Watch out. Hey, you get out of here. Necesito afilar mi machete, Maggie. Afilarlo. And now we pick the herbs for my morning elixir. We got Cuban oregano, we'll get some of that. We've got lemongrass, hello. Sapote de limon, guanilama, menta, mint. All right, you better take some notes for this morning concoction. We got coconut water, lime, Cuban oregano, fresh turmeric, fresh ginger, all fresh from my garden, lemongrass, guanilama, mint, little Himalayan salt or sea salt, and black pepper, and yeah, that's it, and cilantro. That's my morning. It's gonna get all orange and amazing from the turmeric. Vamos a comprar piedras cuartas, se llama. And we're fixing our driveway because I got my car washed yesterday, but our driveway is so shit that look what it does to my tires. It's sad. So we're gonna fix it. Repairing our road. It's getting our tires too messy. Yeah, you love the pala, Maggie. You love it. Here is what is fueling me these days and living my best life. Watermelon, golden berries, strawberries, everything's local. Mangosteen, papaya, and white sapote. They call a lot of things sapote. Kind of just means, I think, like local fruit. And this one they call the white sapote, sapote montaña as well. I can't describe the taste. It's different than other white sapotes I've had in Mexico, but this is so good. Whatever it is exactly. Amazing. It's like, if I had to come up with what it tastes like, it's a mix of a guava and maybe a papaya with a minty flavor. Back down here on the land, checking in on our corn and beans and peanuts. We're also bringing sacks of soil, which we dug up from our just natural soil on our land. It's very interesting because there's a lot more trees and ground cover and plants here, this soil is naturally rich and dark, whereas the soil up at our building site, close to our home site up there, has a lot more clay in it, not as nutrient dense. So instead of going out and buying compost, which is about $4 or $5 a sack, we're just digging up our earth from over here, moving some up there where we want it. But wow, check out our organic corn. Everything is doing awesome. I don't see any big pest issues. Edgardo planted it all. Wow. No hay nada problemas con insectos, ¿verdad? No, ellos no pican nada. No comen nada.
Maní, ¿cómo va?
Sí, maní. This is peanuts. Maní, woo! Que chiva.
Y frijoles.
Sí. Peanuts. We have one line of peanuts, multiple lines of corn. For tortillas para mi mexicana, para Natalia. Y mira, este es frijoles, cowpeas. Necesitamos poner postos y cuerda para estos frijoles. Ellos necesitan escalar. Y en 2 semanas nos estamos sembrando semillas de frijoles en todo estos lugares en un mes, porque cuando la maíz está acá, después empieza las frijoles y las frijoles pueden escalar. And we had a huge windstorm 2 nights ago. It was insane. And as I was up in my rental, I was like, oh, we're gonna have some fallen trees. And this huge tree fell down. It's just a wild tree on our land, so it's no problem. But we're gonna have to cut that up and process it. But good thing it didn't come onto our planted area. All right, looking good. Oh, fuck. This sack weighs a bit less than I do. We're transporting these 50-kilo sacks. Beastly work. This is exercise right here. I mean, deadlifts are awesome. Squats are awesome. This is squatting while you're doing a farmer's walk, while you're lunging, while you're balancing. Being a real farmer, moving around land, that is exercise. That's fitness. Feeling fit these days, working on the farm. Quiero un video de... Yeah! Ah! Yeah! Es suelo de lombrizas, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Lombriza?
Lombrices.
Lombrices. Yeah, we got real earthworm compost. They will live in the soil, they live in our compost, and they help break down wet material and dry material from our food scraps into rich black soil. So as you can see, this is such a good description. This is the soil up here on the building site, full of clay. Es café, ¿verdad? No muy oscuro. Y después, la tierra de nuestra propiedad abajo es más oscuro de café y compost de lombrices es pura negra. Entonces es 3 calidades de suelo. Sí. Malo, bueno y muy rico. El negro. Y vamos a mezclar todo. Pongamos carbón. Tengo un saco de carbón también. Mira, este es palos de madera en fuego. You take the fire out before it gets to ash, and this is carbón. And then we'll throw that encima del suelo también, on top of the soil. Check out our durian seeds. Here's our durian tree from seed, about a year old, I think. And then here are the seeds, leaf cutters. But don't worry, I don't have any going to my garden, so we're good.
You would not be so okay.
No, I just got out of that.
Yeah.
I just got out of like not doing anything for 2 months.
Right.
And
Not moving your
good in my body. And then I finally got back to that rhythm that I'm feeling good in my body again, and I want to bring that.
And now we begin dinner. UFC fights tonight, plus an epic dinner. All the greens are from my garden. A plethora, can't even list them. That's how many are in there. herbs and greens. Then we got avo, palmito, maracuya, limon, aguacate, piña, naranjas, balsamic vinegar, lime, juice, pepper, a little salt. Oh, baby, here we go. Fight night. Black Beast fights tonight. Can't wait. Derek Lewis. And then we've got leftover rice, baked plantains, garbanzos fresca. We have fresh local garbanzos at the market, at the feria, and then I stewed it in beets and pumpkin, salt, turmeric, so many things in here.